Dear friends, today we are going to study chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, part 4. This video contains following points: chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones, addition of hydrogen cyanide, addition of sodium bisulfite, addition of alcohol, addition of Grignard reagent, nucleophilic addition, elimination of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivatives, haloform reaction, aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation. Chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophile. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide adds across carbon oxygen double bond in aldehydes and ketones to produce compounds called cyanohydrines, and the negative part of reagent Cn minus attacks the carbon atom of carbonyl group in presence of acid or alkali as a catalyst, and the mechanism is: first step, formation of intermediate alkoxide, in which first hydrogen cyanide break to give Cn minus, and Cn minus attacks on the carbonyl carbon atom, and the pi bonded electrons are transferred towards oxygen, and formation of alkoxide take place, and protonation of alkoxide. This is step number 2. This proton is abstracted by alkoxide and forms addition product called as cyanohydrines. Addition of hydrogen cyanide with acetaldehyde or ethanol. Hydrogen cyanide break to give Cn minus and H plus, and pi electrons are transferred toward oxygen to form negative oxygen and positive charged carbon. Cn minus attacks on C plus and H plus attacks on O minus, and acetaldehyde cyanohydrine is obtained. And IUPAC name of cyanohydrine is 2-hydroxypropanenitrile. Another one example, propanol or propionaldehyde. Addition reaction with HCN. Similarly, Cn minus H plus is obtained by breaking hydrogen cyanide, and pi electrons are transferred toward oxygen. Oxygen becomes negative, carbon becomes positive. Cn minus attacks on C plus and H plus attacks on oxygen and forms cyanohydrine compound 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-hydroxybutane-nitrile. Addition of hydrogen cyanide with ketone or aldehyde. When R dash is H, it becomes aldehyde. Let us consider the reaction of hydrogen cyanide with ketone. Hydrogen cyanide break to give Cn minus H plus, pi electrons are transferred towards oxygen. H plus attacks on oxygen, Cn minus attacks on carbon. Ketone cyanohydrine is obtained. Example, acetone addition reaction with HCN. Similar reaction occur and acetone cyanohydrine is obtained. IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy 2-methyl propane nitrile. Addition of sodium bisulfite with aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde addition reaction with sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite breaking of NaH bond and breaking of HSO3, but sodium is more positive, so again it combined with SO3 minus 2 and forms SO3Na minus ion. Pi bond electrons are transferred toward oxygen. Carbon becomes positive, oxygen becomes negative. H plus attacks on oxygen and SO3Na attacks on carbon, and acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite addition product is obtained. Similar reaction occur with acetone and sodium bisulfite. Pi bonded electrons are transferred toward oxygen. Oxygen becomes negative and carbon becomes positive, and Na bonds with SO3 minus 2 and forms Na SO3 minus ion. H plus is separated, which attacks on oxygen, and NaSO3 minus ion attacks on C plus, and acetone sodium bisulfite addition product is obtained. Addition of alcohols. Aldehyde reacts with one molecule of alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride and gives alkoxy alcohol known as hemiacetal, which further react with alcohol molecule in presence of dry hydrogen chloride, gives dialkoxy stable compound called as acetal, and the reaction take place. First, aldehyde pi bonded electrons transferred toward oxygen. Oxygen becomes negative, carbon becomes positive. Breaking of OH bond, alkoxy minus ion is obtained, H plus is obtained. H plus attacks on oxygen to form OH, and alkoxy attacks on carbon to form alkoxy derivative hemiacetal unstable compound. In the second step, another molecule of alcohol, similar breaking, H plus and alkoxy minus ion, and H plus combined with hydroxyl group of hemiacetal, and byproduct water is obtained. Alkoxy part attacks on carbon to form dialkoxy stable product called as acetal, which is geminal dialkoxy compound. Example: when acetaldehyde and ethyl alcohol is used in this reaction, similar reaction occur. Pi bonded electrons transferred toward oxygen, it becomes negative, carbon becomes positive, breaking of OH bond, alkoxy negative ion, H plus ion, H plus attacks on oxygen, forms hydroxy part, and alkoxy part attacks on carbon and forms hemiacetal unstable compound, which combined with second molecule of alcohol, breaking is similar. H plus combined with OH group forms water. Alkoxy part attacks on carbon. Due to removal of OH group, it becomes positive, and diethoxy derivative acetal is obtained, and the name of compound 1,1-diethoxyethane, which is stable acetal compound. Similar reaction occur with ketone to form hemiketal or ketal. Let us consider the reaction of ketone and ethylene glycol. IUPAC name ethane 1,2-diol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride. Oxygen of ketone combined with hydrogen of hydroxy group present in ethylene glycol, and cyclic ketal is obtained. Example: acetone reacted with ethylene glycol in presence of hydrogen chloride gas or dry hydrogen chloride. It gives ketal called as ethylene glycol ketal and byproduct water. Addition of Grignard reagent with aldehyde or ketone. When aldehyde or ketone treated with Grignard's reagent in presence of dry ether, it gives first organometallic complex, which on acid hydrolysis produce alcohol and magnesium hydroxy halide. See how the reaction occur. By transfer of pi bonded electron on oxygen, it becomes partial negative, carbon becomes partial positive. By breaking of RMG bond, it becomes partial positive and R becomes partial negative. MgX attacks on oxygen to form OMgX, and R attacks on carbon to form Cr. And the hydrolysis reaction, water splits up into H plus and OH minus. Here hydrolysis takes place, H plus OH minus. OH minus combined with MgX to form MgX-OH, and hydrogen combined with RCO and RCOH. In this way alcohol is obtained. Formaldehyde, when treated with methyl magnesium bromide, breaking of this bond between carbon and Mg, MgBr plus ion and CH3 minus ion, transfer of electron towards oxygen, oxygen becomes negative, carbon becomes positive, carbon negatively charged carbon, that is anion, attacks on carbon, Mg plus ion attacks on oxygen, and organometallic reagent complex is obtained, which on acid hydrolysis produce primary alcohol with byproduct magnesium hydroxybromide. Another one example, when formaldehyde is treated with ethyl magnesium bromide, it gives corresponding organometallic complex, and on hydrolysis it gives primary alcohol 1, 2, 3. Propan 1-ol or 1-hydroxypropane or N-propyl alcohol is obtained. For example, acetaldehyde when treated with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether, it gives first organometallic complex, which on acid hydrolysis it gives secondary alcohol. Name of alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. For example, when acetone is treated with methyl magnesium halide, it gives organometallic complex in presence of dry ether, and which on acid hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol. Nucleophilic addition, elimination of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivatives. When aldehyde or ketone treated with derivative of ammonia, it gives first complex compound, and which on dehydration it gives imine product, and this substituted imine is called Chips base or Chips base. Nucleophilic addition elimination reactions of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivatives. This is ketone or aldehyde if alkyl group R dash is equal to H, then this is aldehyde. If R dash is not equal to hydrogen, this is ketone. So let us consider the reaction when aldehyde or ketone treated with hydroxylamine, it gives corresponding oxime. When it is ketone, ketoxime is obtained. If the compound is aldehyde treated with hydroxylamine, gives aldoxime. This hydrogen is removed with the oxygen. In this way dehydration takes place. Second reaction, aldehyde or ketone when treated with hydrazine. Similarly, hydrogen removed with oxygen in the form of water, and corresponding hydrazone is obtained. Means aldehyde hydrazone or ketone hydrazone is obtained. Third reaction, when aldehyde or ketone is treated with phenylhydrazine, similarly water molecule is eliminated and corresponding aldehyde or ketone phenylhydrazone is obtained. Next reaction, when aldehyde or ketone is treated with semicarbazide, similarly water molecule is removed from aldehyde ketone or semicarbazide and corresponding aldehyde or ketone semicarbazone is obtained. Next reaction, aldehyde or ketone when treated with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,4-dinitrophenyl. This is phenylhydrazine. By loss of water molecule, corresponding aldehyde or ketone dinitrophenylhydrazone is obtained. Haloform reaction. The compounds like aldehyde, ketone, or the compounds which contains CH3CHOH functional group gives haloform reaction. When an alcohol or methyl ketone is warmed with sodium hydroxide and iodine, it gives yellow precipitate of sodium hypoiodide. And in this reaction, sodium salt of carboxylic acid is obtained, which contains one carbon atom less as compared to substrate. For example, acetone. When acetone is oxidized by using sodium hypoiodide, it gives sodium acetate and yellow precipitate of iodoform is obtained. Sodium salt of acid contains 2 carbon and acetone contains 3 carbon. One carbon atom of methyl group is converted into haloform, or one methyl group is converted into haloform. Aldol condensation reaction. Aldehydes containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergo a reaction in presence of dilute alkali as a catalyst to form beta hydroxyaldehydes. This reaction is known as aldol reaction or aldol condensation reaction. This is general formula of aldehyde RCH2CHO. The carbon atom which is near to the carbonyl group is called as alpha carbon, and this alpha carbon contains 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. This type of aldehyde, 2 molecules, when heated with aqueous dilute alkali, it gives beta hydroxyaldehyde. This beta hydroxyaldehyde is called as aldol, the compound which contains aldehyde and alcohol functional group. This aldol loses water molecule and converted into enal, means the compound which contains double bond and aldehyde functional group. This is alpha carbon, beta carbon. Alpha hydrogen and beta hydroxyl group is removed in the form of water. So this reaction, this step is called as alpha beta elimination reaction. In alpha beta elimination reaction, enol product is obtained. Consider an example of aldehyde which contains alpha hydrogen atom. Acetaldehyde first molecule, second molecule. When two molecules of acetaldehyde treated with each other in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or sodium carbonate, it gives beta hydroxy aldehyde. And after removal of water molecule from beta hydroxyaldehyde molecule, enol compound is obtained. First of all, see how the reaction takes place. In first aldehyde molecule, migration of pi bonded electron towards oxygen, negative charge is developed on oxygen, carbon positive charge. The carbon atom which is next to the carbonyl group called as alpha carbon and which contains alpha hydrogen atom. By breaking this bond, carbanion is obtained, aldehyde carbanion, and H plus ion is separated. So this hydrogen is migrated towards carbonyl oxygen atom of first aldehyde molecule. Means alpha hydrogen atom of second molecule of aldehyde migrated towards carbonyl oxygen atom of first aldehyde molecule and forms hydroxy functional group, and carbanion is migrated towards positively charged carbon. In this way, aldol compound is obtained. This aldol contains alpha hydrogen and beta hydroxy functional group removed in the form of water and forms enol product. IUPAC name but 1, 2, 3, 4. But double bond is present after second carbon atom, so 2 in and ul, but 2 in ul. Consider an example of ketone, propanone or acetone. See the reaction. This is second ketone molecule. This is first ketone molecule. Migration of pi electron towards oxygen, it becomes negative. Carbon becomes positive. And one proton is migrated towards this oxygen, forms hydroxyl group. Due to removal of this hydrogen, it becomes negative ion or carbanion which attacks on the carbon. So ketol is obtained. Beta hydroxy ketol. IUPAC name 4-hydroxy, 4-methyl, pentan, 2-on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-hydroxy, 4-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentan, double carbonyl group to second carbon, so 2-on, and with loss of water molecule, hydrogen in the form of alpha hydrogen and beta hydroxyl group is removed in the form of water, and inone is obtained. IUPAC name is 4-methyl pent 3-in-2-one, and the common name is macetyl oxide. Cross aldol condensation reaction. Consider an example of acetaldehyde and propionaldehyde. This is alpha hydrogen migrated towards the oxygen and forms H3C, CH2, COH, H, CH2, CHO. This is alpha beta hydroxyaldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After dehydration reaction, this OH and H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This compound is obtained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 2-in-al. This compound is obtained. When propionaldehyde and acetaldehyde aldehyde number 1 and aldehyde number 2 are considered, this is alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards this carbonyl oxygen atom and gives the product CH3C, H, OH, CH2, CH3, CHO. 1, 2, 3, 4. At second carbon, methyl group is present. 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2-in-al. After dehydration of this compound, means this hydrogen atom is removed with the hydroxyl group, we get this product 2-methyl but 2-in-al. When ethanol is self condensed, this is alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards this carbonyl oxygen and it becomes carbanion, so product is obtained H3C, COH, H, CH2, COH, and this hydrogen is removed with hydroxyl group and we get this product crotonaldehyde or but 2-in-al 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2-in-al. If this propanol is self-condensed, H3C, CH2, two panel. This is second molecule. For this first molecule, this is second molecule. This is alpha hydrogen atom migrated towards this carbon, and we get H3C, CH2, COH. This is hydrogen. CH2, CH3, COH. Removal of this OH and H, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means this product 2-methyl pent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent 2 in ul. In this way, cross aldol condensation reaction take place with migration of alpha hydrogen atom of second aldehyde molecule towards the carbonyl oxygen atom of first aldehyde, and the process is reversed by taking aldehydes and self condensation is carried. In this way, 4 beta hydroxyaldehydes are obtained, and after dehydration reaction 4 in-ul compounds are obtained.